Guys, I'm going to make a short video on how to service your Yamaha R1. This is the 5VY model 2006, and what I'm going to do is basically start with the spark plugs, as the engine is cold at the moment. So I'm going to start with that. So first thing we're going to do is okay, so to start off with, we're going to remove the seat. You've got one Allen bolt there, and you've got another one just there, so go ahead and remove those. Got the bolts off. This just comes off. You just pull it off and put it aside, and then we're going to remove this side panel here. Start off with this little screw right here at the top. Let's remove that, put that aside, and this just slides back. Slide it back like so. Make sure you don't break any of the tabs in there, and pull this out and then slide it off. So you got this tab here and there, slides in from there and there. So put this aside. Then you've got this 10mm nut here. Go ahead and loosen that off. And take this off. And then you have, so then you do the exact same on the other side, and after you've done that, we're going to come over here at the top. Then what we're going to do is remove this Allen nut from the top of the tank. Go ahead and do that. Once you've got the nut out, your tank should be free to move up to reveal your air filter. So once you've done that, just use something to prop up the tank, and you can start removing the air filter as it is like this, but it gets a bit tight around here. So what I prefer to do is remove the tank completely, just to get it out of the way. It give you a lot more space. So what we're going to do now is remove all these pipes and electrical bits from underneath. What we're going to do is underneath the tank, we're going to start moving some of these pipes out of the way. We'll start off with this vapor hose, and just pry this down. Go ahead and do that, and then just try to yank this off. Okay, alright, so that's come off. Then you've got an electrical switch, just press it and pull. Then you've got this this fuel line here. Obviously you're gonna need a pair of pliers. This bit here goes all the way up here, so just press it, pull it down, and just try and twist this off. Gonna get a bit of fuel fall out of there. So try to have a rag there, which I should have had, and yeah, so you've got another electrical switch over here. So we're going to go to the other side and carry on. Okay guys, so then you come to this side and you've got another fuel line here. So what you're going to do is press here on these clips, both sides. Press it as hard as you can, and just pull it off. Expect a bit of fuel to come out of this one as well, as you can see. So I have a rag there ready, and then you've got another electrical clip right next to it, same as the other one. Just press and just pull this down, and there you have it. Your tank is basically ready to remove. What I'm going to do is come back over here and remove this last bolt, the Allen bolt. It's a 5mm, I believe. Go ahead and unscrew that. Once you've got it out of the thread, it should just pull out. Go ahead and remove that, and there you have it. Your tank should be free to just lift off, like so. Put that aside. Guys, so now you've got the tank out of the way, you've got a lot more space to play with. So what we're going to do is remove the air filter. Go ahead and remove this clip. And what we're going to do is remove all the screws all the way around the air filter. Once you've removed all the screws all the way around the air filter box, you've got another one right in here. You've got this little rubber thing that you just twist and you pull off, and you've got another screw there. Go ahead and remove that. Once you've removed the screw from in there, go ahead and pull the cover off, put that aside, and you have your air filter here. This just pops off. Just inspect it. As you can see, it's quite dirty. Put that aside, and now what we're going to do is try to access our spark plugs through here, as opposed to moving the radiator out of the way and accessing it from the front. Now what we're going to do is loosen all 6 of these Allen bolts and loosen them off, and the whole bottom of the air filter box should come loose, and then all you have remaining is this pipe here, just a little pinch thing there. Just pull it off from there, and another one on the side there, as you can see. Go ahead and remove those, and we'll remove the whole bottom of the air filter box. Guys, so this is where I'm at now. Once you've got the air filter box out of the way, and you come here, you got this little piece here with this little ring here that goes into there, and you kind of you got all these clips on the side. You kind of just pull this out and out of the way, and you have a bit of space through there. You could probably see one of the coil packs down there, and then still you're gonna have to move this piece here out of the way, which holds the CPU in there from underneath here, and you just disconnect the harness, which is quite tough. Once you've got that out of the way, you pull this rubber sheet back, and then you can just about see the coil packs 1, 2, 3 and 4, but it's really tight. Apparently this is the way you're supposed to do it according to the manual, but I can see why people choose to go in from the other end, from the radiator end. Just pull the radiator back and just access the coil packs from there, because this really does seem really tight, and I don't think I'll be able to do it from this direction. Okay, so we're going to check the function of these butterflies, see if they're all right. Can't seem to do it manually on this bike, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the ignition on and see how it goes. That kind of seemed alright. They all seem to be in sync, so let's see how it goes. Guys, as you can see, I've kind of given up trying to access the spark plugs through the top over there. So now it's become a fairing off job, so I've just removed this side fairing, and what I'm going to try and do is here's one of the radiator bolts. You've got another one on the other side, so I'm going to try and loosen these off, take these off, and see how much I can move the radiator forward, how much play these pipes have. I really don't want to remove these coolant pipes, and obviously then it's going to be a coolant job as well. And anyway, then obviously you've got your coil packs through there. I can try and access them through there, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to try and remove this 10mm bolt. Go ahead and start loosening that off. Just get that loose. Take that off. Okay, gonna go to the other side and do the same. Okay, so I'm on the right hand side now, and this side it seems to be just an Allen bolt. I've loosened it off, and you can just about make out the 4th cylinder there, the coil pack. But yeah, I've only gained about an inch or so of play, so I'm gonna have to start removing a few more things to try and get enough space so I can access the coil packs. Guys, so I've managed to take off cylinder 4 coil pack, Obviously that's the easier one, because it's the first one in this side. Let's see if we can take out the spark plug and see what the condition is, and take it from there. Guys, as you can see, I've just about managed to get the head of my 1/2 inch onto the extension, which is down the socket there, and I've just about managed to get some turns happening. I have no idea how I'm gonna even access the other cylinders in the middle. I most likely will have to remove this. I think this is what's stopping the radiator from going any more forward, so I might have to drop the coolant, and let's see how it goes. Guys, so I just about managed to unscrew the spark plug, so I'm going to get my trusty little magnet down there, see if I can pull out the plug, and there we have it. That's looking very grimy. So there you go, that's one done, and let's see if we can go and get the rest. Okay, so coming back to the left side, cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 is not the issue. I've got that ratchet in there, and that's coming off fine. And this little port here is quite handy actually. I might be able to just get to the middle two core packs through here, because if you can see, I can just about get my hand on the core packs through here. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so managed to get cylinder 1 out as well. There we go. Don't know why. I don't know if these spark plugs have ever been removed. I don't know what all this rust is around the outside. But anyway, let's see how it goes. If I can get the middle two out without having to drop the coolant and move the radiator hoses out of the way, then that would be a proper result. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, as you can see, guys, I've got cylinder 2 on there now, and only because I've got this stubby little flexy ratchet, and as you can see, and I'm just about with my hand there, just getting a turn in there, and so that looks like it's coming through. And let's see if we can get cylinder 3 out, and if we can, that means I didn't have to drop any coolant. That would be great. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've just about managed to get a ratchet onto the cylinder 3, which was by far the most difficult. I'm pretty certain this would not have been possible without this stubby little ratchet set I've got. And I'm going to go ahead and try and remove this spark plug, and if I can do so, that would mean I've managed to remove all 4 spark plugs without having to remove any radiator hoses. And so let's see how this goes. So I've got the 3rd cylinder loose, taking the ratchet out. Now I'm just doing it by hand. This was by far the most difficult cylinder because of I don't know if you can see this thing here is right in the way, but I think I'm almost done. I've got a 3-piece ratchet set there. I might have to somehow separate it before I take it out, because it's really tight down there. Okay, I just about managed to get this out, so I'm going to put my magnet down there and try to fetch that spark plug. Guys, so I managed to get the last and final spark plug out, and they're all looking similar, so which is a good thing, I suppose. I don't know exactly what they mean. I'm going to check up what this coloration means, but none of them had any oil stains or anything like that, so that was good. So yeah, so I managed to take them all out. I might just do a quick compression test, and then go ahead and replace them with the new spark plugs. Okay guys, so I've got all 4 plugs out. I don't know why all these bits are all rusty and that. I don't know if that's normal, but the actual plugs itself, I'm quite happy with them because they all look more or less identical. They've all been burning identically, and so there you go. I'm going to go ahead and replace them with the new ones and take it from there. Guys, so go ahead and compare your new plugs with your old ones. Make sure they are the right size and everything. These are CR9 EKs for this Yamaha R1 2004, 2005-6 5VY model. So basically, okay guys, so what we're going to do is start replacing the spark plugs. We're going to start off with the ones in the middle because those are the most difficult to get to, and I'm going to try and just pop this spark plug through the top into cylinder 3. I don't know if you can just about see it happening. So what we're going to do is just line it up and just drop it in there, thread first, and as you saw that dropped in. Then we're going to get the extension and drop that through. So, I don't know if you can see it. So we're just going to drop that into the cylinder, and then we're going to send in the next extension and try to clip them all into place and start ratcheting away. Okay guys, so we've done the middle two. It was quite tough, but it's doable, and now we're here in the cylinder 4, last one. Just torquing down the spark plug. I've hand tightened it already, so we're going to give it a couple of turns, and then we should be done. Going to put the coil packs on, and then that's all complete. Okay guys, so I've replaced all the coil packs and the coil pack leads. I've put all the fairings back on, I've put the tank back on, connected everything up. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we can start her up. Let's see. Bismillah. Guys, it's all done, all the spark plugs changed, it's easily done. So let me know if this helped. Peace.